playing Floodscape 2 of fe2 and Floodscape 2. I'm always gonna play fe2 now. And like and subscribe. So let's get them. Insanes and crazies, no. I'm the other one. Every server I join, say no crazy. Oh, you're gonna die. Oh, I think he's gonna barely survive. Never mind. Wasn't actually the lava? It was him. Like this. See. GG. We're probably only gonna do a couple maps. See how good these people are. See if you think there's a change. They're already better than me right now. Oh, these people are all above 50. 50 or above. I'm new here. I'm just 50. Pros always try to press. So I'm going to try to press as many buttons as I can. Because that's how pros do it. They don't... Noobs just wait at the door. I'm better. How? To the real world, or to me? See how good they are? How many people? 6. Best person? This noob. Noob is the best person. Wait. Very good, cool thing, right? Now. I'm not gonna do this. Well, guys, this was fun to show you, but bye, guys.